In the second question, it says find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Then can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2. So before we do this second part, let's find the distance between 0, 0 and 36, 15. So to do that, we have to use the distance formula again. So here's the distance formula. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is square root of difference of x coordinates whole square plus difference of y coordinates whole square. So the two coordinates are, the 2 points are 0, 0 and 36, 15. So what are x1, x2 and y1, y2? So x1 is 0, y1 is 0, x2 is 36, y2 is 15. Now let's apply this to the formula. So the distance will be x2 minus x1, that is 36 minus 0 whole square plus 15 minus 0 whole square. So this comes out to be under root 36 square plus 15 square. We know that 36 square is 1296 plus 15 square is 225. When we add this comes out to be 1521, 1521, and whose square root is 39. So the distance between the 2 points 0, 0 and 36, 15 is 39 units. So this is the answer for the first question or first part, you can say. 39 units is the distance between 2 points, 2 given points. Now they are saying, can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2. So what is section 7.2? They have given that there are two towns, town A and town B. So a town B is located 36 kilometers east and 15 kilometers north of the town A. So this is town A at this point and this is town B at this point. We have to find the distance between these two towns. So you can see it is 36 kilometers east and 15 kilometers north. So this point becomes this x value, that is 36, comma y value, that is 15. So 36, 15, and at A the coordinates are 0, 0. So this is nothing but the distance between 0, 0 and 36, 15, which we have already calculated, that is 39 units. It means the distance between the two towns A and B is also 39 units, but here units are given, that is kilometers, so it means it is 39 kilometers. So the distance between the two towns A and B is 39 kilometers.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.